Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. What if your next vehicle wasn't just something you drove, but somewhere you lived? A place where every sunrise looks different, every road leads to possibility, and comfort follows you wherever you go. That's exactly what the 2026 Dodge Ram camping van is built for. A machine that turns freedom into a daily lifestyle, not a once-a-year vacation. At its core, this van is built on the legendary Ram ProMaster platform, a chassis trusted across America for its strength, reliability, and real-world durability. But in this form, it becomes something far more exciting. From the outside, the Ram camping van makes a bold statement before you even step inside. The tall roofline and wide stance instantly signal serious interior space, while the rugged Ram design gives it a commanding presence on highways, city streets, and remote back roads alike. Large sliding side doors and full-width rear barn doors open up the van like a gateway to adventure, making it incredibly easy to load bikes, kayaks, coolers, or camping gear, even in tight parking spots or uneven terrain. Optional roof racks, solar panels, and all-terrain tires push its capability even further, hinting that this van isn't afraid to leave pavement behind. Step inside, and the experience changes completely in the best possible way. This doesn't feel like a cargo van anymore. It feels like a smartly designed tiny home on wheels, where every inch has been carefully planned for comfort, efficiency, and long-term living. The driver's cabin is immediately familiar and confidence-inspiring, with supportive seating, excellent visibility, and intuitive controls that make long drives feel relaxed instead of exhausting. Many configurations allow the front seats to swivel, instantly transforming the driving area into part of the living space once you park. Suddenly, your cockpit becomes your lounge, dining area, or conversation space, creating a seamless transition from travel to relaxation. The heart of the 2026 Dodge Ram camping van lies in its living and kitchen area, where thoughtful engineering truly shines. The compact kitchenette is designed to make real cooking possible, not just reheating meals. A built-in sink with fresh and gray water tanks, a stove system, and a refrigerator or cool box allow you to prepare everything from quick breakfasts to full dinners on the road. Fold-out counters and smart storage solutions maximize prep space, while well-placed cabinets keep food and cookware organized and within reach. Soft LED lighting transforms the space at night, creating a warm, cozy atmosphere that feels surprisingly inviting after a long day of driving. Add the optional exterior awning, and suddenly your living space expands outdoors, perfect for sunset dinners, morning coffee, or simply relaxing under the open sky. When it's time to rest, the Dodge Ram camping van proves that sleeping on the road doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Depending on the layout, sleeping arrangements range from dedicated rear beds to convertible seating areas that transform effortlessly into a spacious sleeping platform. High-quality mattresses provide real support, ensuring restful sleep no matter where you stop for the night. Thanks to the high roof, moving around inside never feels cramped, and blackout curtains or insulated window shades give you privacy and block out early morning light. Beneath the bed, cleverly designed storage compartments hide luggage, outdoor gear, and personal items, keeping the living area clean and uncluttered. Some layouts even feature pull-out storage trays, making it easy to access gear without crawling inside. Comfort doesn't stop when the weather changes. The 2026 Ram camping van is built for year-round travel, with efficient heating systems designed to handle both hot summers and cold nights. Efficient heating systems keep the interior warm in winter conditions, while auxiliary air conditioning helps maintain comfort in warmer climates. Proper insulation throughout the walls and ceiling regulates temperature and reduces outside noise, turning remote campsites into peaceful retreats. Power systems are equally capable,
with multiple USB and 12-volt outlets, inverter options, and available solar setups that support off-grid living without constantly searching for hookups. Technology and safety are seamlessly integrated to support both driving confidence and everyday convenience. A modern infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth,